Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam FM. Mr. Guy Grissom owes $1 million to be paid exactly 2 years from today. There are only two investments available: a money market fund earning 5% currently, with its rate changing continuously with the market, and a 5-year zero-coupon bond earning 5%. Mr. Grissom decides to invest in an asset portfolio that will match the duration of his liabilities and have the same value as his liabilities. Assume that the interest rate is 5% for all maturities. Find the difference between convexity of Mr. Grissom's asset portfolio and convexity of his liability. And here's the solution. The liability has the Macaulay duration of 2 because it's a single payment at time 2. Let W be the fraction of the asset portfolio invested in the money market fund. Because the money market fund has a Macaulay duration of 0, because its price it remains the same because its interest rate varies exactly with the market, so it can't lose or gain any value when interest rates change. So the Macaulay duration of it is 0, and the 5-year zero-coupon bond has a Macaulay duration of 5. The Macaulay duration of the asset portfolio is W times 0 plus 1 minus W times 5, and it has to be equal to 2, where W is the allocation into the money market fund in the portfolio. So W is 0.6. We just solved this as an equation for W, and 1 minus W is 0.4. And the convexity of the asset portfolio is the weighted average of convexity of the assets in the portfolio. And convexity of a single payment at time t is t times t plus 1 over 1 plus I squared. So in this case, the money market basically is a payment at time 0. And the single payment, the 5-year zero-coupon bond is a single payment at time 5. So the convexity of the asset portfolio is 0.6 times 0 times 1 over 1.05 squared plus 0.4 times 5 times 6 over 1.05 squared, and that's approximately 10.8844. And the convexity of the liability, because it's a single payment at time 2, is 2 times 3 over 1.05 squared, and that's approximately 5.4422. And the difference of the two is approximately 5.4422, because the convexity of the asset portfolio turns out to be exactly twice the convexity of the liability. Well, the difference is the same as the convexity of the liability, because 10.844 is exactly twice the amount of 5.4422. And that's answer D. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. Problem is created by me. All rights reserved. Reproduction in whole or in part without express written permission from the author is strictly prohibited.